area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, natural light to the Jericho. One time soft and sheen. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, you gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth and now you say that I'm hood. Kid at 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving a range, you think I'm up to no good. Give us a break and let it breathe, man. Give me a chance, let's achieve, fam. And I know that my hair looks a bit different.
See, hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I know that this is quite a lot. There's noise everywhere. Two gens are on, our small gen and the other gen. So my name is my name is Lydia, and if you're just seeing my beautiful face for the first time, welcome to our channel, because yes, it is our channel. And what else? If you are not new here, thank you for coming back, my love. And so the order of the day, this vlog is basically a solo date vlog and the prep. So I'm starting the prep now. I'm going to get my nails done. I've always wanted to do this, just go out alone and just have a really good time with myself. That is one of my goals for the year, to just enjoy myself alone. So that's what I'm doing this week. Valentine is on what is it? I think on Monday. Yeah, so I will be going out and I'll let you guys know how that is. So now let's go along. Come along with me to get my nails done, and I'll also be stopping at the mall to pick up something. Yeah, and what else? Okay, pick up a top that I got recently. I don't know if I'll be wearing that out on that day, but yeah, that's basically it. Let's go. Mwah. Hi my loves. Welcome. Today is date day. So I've been out since like 8. I went to get my hair done. Time is past 10 now. So I basically do not know where I want to go for my dates. Me, myself and I, we don't know where to go. So I'm just going to try and find somewhere on Instagram. I have somewhere in mind, but they say it's by reservation and they are not picking up their calls or replying their messages. So I will just keep on trying to find somewhere else. I want to leave the house by 2. The time is 10 o'clock now. I'll start my makeup sometime around 12 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm just chilling. Yeah, so this is my nails. I showed you guys yesterday. So that's just basically it. Today is date day. Let's have fun, baby. Hi guys. Yes, look at this babe. Yeah, I'm dressed up, I'm ready, and I'm heading out now. So I called 2 places already, so I'm just going to be choosing with between those 2 places, and that's where I'm going to be going to. So I'm just basically wearing this dress. It's like a cow neck dress, zebra prints with my hair and my jewelry. I'm see, don't worry, I'll show you guys everything that I'm wearing when I get there. I took my tripod, so I'll do that. I'm wearing just a black mule. I'm carrying my sarah bag. So that's just basically what the mood is today. So let's go and have fun. I'm really excited about this outing. Let me not even form like I'm not like going out alone. I'm excited. So I'll see you guys there. I'm really hungry already, so happy Valentine. Yes, happy Valentine. If I've not said happy Valentine, you guys are going to be seeing this video on Valentine's Day. Yes, on Valentine's Day. I'll make sure to post it on Valentine's Day, maybe in the morning of Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine, my love.
When I'm not with you, baby. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional is enough. I'm on. Your love gives me something I want. Your mind gives me something to feel. Your mind gives me something that's real. So at the end of the day, this is true. In my soul. Now me and you go there as the song go on. Now me and you go there till the sun come up. Inside she control me. She did tell me baby pause it with you for a minute. Every day she got 2 minutes. She want it every day we make it move with us. My baby with me. Every day with me. See every day with me. My baby think I'm blame me. My baby know that she got it. Say the love you she give me. I know. Say if I do touch you know leave me. I know. Say now you love me when she give me. I know. Say not true love. Days when I'm not with you, baby. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional is enough. I'm the one. Your love gives me something I want. Your mind gives me something to feel. Your mind gives me something that's real stuff. At the end of the day, this is true love. In my soul, it's dangerous. I cannot trust, still I want more. True love. Baby girl, I want make our soul feel like one. Baby girl, I want make our love feel like one. Hold on to me tonight for life. Baby girl, I want make our soul feel like one. Baby girl, I want make our love feel like one. Hold on to me tonight for life. Noisy days when I'm not with you, baby. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional is enough. I'm the one. Your love gives me something I want. Your mind gives me something to feel. Your mind gives me something that's real. So